how to register or create an online banking account of CIBC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can register into online banking account of CIBC. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to register into CIBC account, first thing you need to make sure that you already have a bank account, and after that what you need to do is open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.cibc.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this page you can see in the right hand side corner there is an option as sign on. So just click on it. If you already have an account, or if you have already registered into an online banking account of CIBC, then you can enter your card information and a password in order to log in into your account. And in case you don't have an account, so in order to register you need to click on the option register in the bottom left. So after that you'll be taken to the enrollment page, and on this page and you can see you have some certain statements, so make sure to go through all of these. And in order to proceed on with the enrollment, once again you need to scroll down, and then you need to enter the card information that is associated with the CIBC account. As I've already mentioned before, that in order to log in or register into your online banking account, make sure that you already have a bank account of CIBC, then only you'll be able to register into an online banking account. So first thing, you need to provide your card information, and then you need to provide your card expiry date and a phone number on the, which means that the number that is associated with the CIBC bank. And once you do that, you can just tap on next after that. And on the other interface you need to go through some terms and conditions, and you need to double check all of the information provided. And after that you've successfully registered into an online banking account of CIBC. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.